So we're going to have a look at pruning Cytisus batandieri, the Moroccan broom.
So it's also known as Cytisus batandieri, and it's a great plant. You can grow it as a standard, like in this border, or you can grow it against a wall, which is how it's typically grown, a nice south-facing wall, because remember it's from Morocco, and it's got this beautiful silver foliage. Obviously, being from Morocco, it can be a little bit susceptible to our winters, so we have to be very careful and protect it.
And what we've got to do is identify where the flowers are. And if you go in close here, we can see here's the stem that's been cut back. I left it in the spring because it was looking quite poorly, this particular plant. But you can see here's the old flower stalks, and that's telling you how to prune it. So you get these little shortened pieces, and then you get the flower on them. So in terms of where it is, it's not on this year's growth. You can see that there's not anything on this year's growth. But if we go and have a look at this one, you can see you've got this year's growth, and just in behind it on last year's growth, you've got a flower head. And so that's what we want. So we're going to knock the young growths back and make sure that we've got plenty of this last year growth on it. So that's what we're going to do. So what I'm going to do is just cut it back. So it's just a question of secateurs in there, looking at where the sort of new growth, if you like, joins the old. If I just get in there, you can just see it down here. You can see one in there, and again I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3 on that one. Just enough foliage there to make it look nice, but also to encourage the sort of almost like little spurs in behind. So that's what we're doing. Anything long, like those long shoots at the top, you're going to prune them back. They're just taking water from the plant. So once you've pruned it back to 2 or 3 buds, we just got to remove those old flower heads so it doesn't put a lot of energy into producing seed. But you can see now that we've got it back to where we want it, and now we're just going to remove these flower heads, just clip them off.